Unraveling, Calm Down, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning channel. Today, we've got a very interesting phrase to discuss. Calm down. This is a phrase that you might hear quite often in English conversations, and it can be really useful to understand not just its meaning, but also the context in which it's used. So, let's dive right in and unravel the mysteries of this common English expression. Calm down is a phrasal verb that consists of the verb calm and the preposition down. Together, they create a meaning that's a bit different from the individual words. When someone says, calm down, they are generally asking a person to become less agitated or excited, and to gain control of their emotions. It's often used in situations where someone is upset, angry, or overly excited. Example 1. Imagine someone is panicking because they can't find their keys, and they're going to be late for a meeting. A friend might tell them, calm down, we'll find the keys. Getting upset won't help. Here, calm down is used to ask the person to relax and manage their anxiety. Example 2. If two people are having a heated argument, a bystander might say, hey, both of you, calm down. In this context, calm down is used to ask the individuals to lower their aggression and to stop fighting. Understanding when to use calm down is crucial, as using it in the wrong situation can sometimes make things worse. It's important to use calm down in a gentle and soothing manner, and it's usually more effective if you have a calm demeanor yourself. Tip 1. Use calm down when someone is visibly upset or agitated, and you want to help them regain their composure. Tip 2. Avoid using calm down if it might sound condescending or dismissive. In some situations, telling someone to calm down might imply that you're not taking their feelings seriously, which can make them even more upset. Sometimes, it might be more appropriate to use a different phrase. Here are a few alternatives. Take a deep breath. This can help the person to pause and regain control of their emotions. Let's talk about this encourages communication and shows that you're willing to listen. I'm here for you offers support and understanding. And that's a wrap on Calm Down. We hope that this video has helped clarify the meaning and use of this common English phrase. Remember, it's all about helping someone regain their composure in a supportive and understanding way. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more English language tips. See you in the next video.